Hello everyone, my name is Steve Samuel. I'm from Design Visionaries and I'd like to share with you today dominoes falling into each other. So in order to do this, I made a model. I created one little platform here and one little domino, and then I patterned it. I changed the colors of them so it looks a little bit cooler. And then I went into the animation package and I created rigid bodies. And I made a rigid body of this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. And I called those rigid bodies D1, D2, D3, D4, etc. I called the rigid body here platform. And then I made a contact. Then I made a joint. And the joint that I made was a fixed joint here. And I made a bunch of revolutes on every single edge of every single domino. Then I made contacts. Here's the contact mode. And I clicked on this one and I called it D1. I clicked on this one, D2, D3, D4, D5, and platform. So I made a bunch of contacts. And then finally, all I did was make one position motor. And the position motor has, it starts at 0, it goes at 1, and it goes minus 80 degrees, and then it dwells for 3 or 4 seconds. That's all it was. And as you can see, the result is when I hit the play button, it dominoes, just like that. Then of course it bounces back and it does a lot of funny things, cool things, but as you can see, it looks pretty good. Dominoes. So there you have it. That was a fun little thing to do. Oh, one little detail. When I did the revolute joints, I did a revolute. I would select one entity. I would select the platform. Then I would select this vector, or I could select this edge as the vector right here. And then I selected this location point to make the vector, to place the vector. So that's how I made the revolutes. And I also found that the contact didn't really work, the contacting, if all of these dominoes touched the platform to begin with. I found that it was very unstable. So I moved the platform down ever so slightly, and it looks like they're touching, but they're not really. So there you have it. Dominoes falling into each other. That was fun for me. It took me a while to figure out those little nuances. But I hope you've enjoyed this little video. Please help out, like and subscribe. Tell your friends about this channel. I really love doing these things and getting the comments back and getting my ideas of what to do next from the comments. So if you have some challenging thing that you've always wanted to figure out how to do and it's been a little tough, let me help out. Thanks again. My name's Steve Samuel from Design Visionaries. And if you go to the Design Visionaries site, you'll also see other resources. There's books that I've written about all of this, and there's all kinds of other things. So give it a read, designvisionaries.com, and I will see you next time.